Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Funnel.io. Funnel.io, an honest review. Watch before you subscribe. Are you considering using Funnel.io? This in-depth review will provide valuable insights before you commit. We'll explore Funnel.io's features, its ideal user base, and assess if it's the right fit for your business needs. At its core, Funnel.io is a robust data collection and reporting platform designed to empower marketers and businesses. It consolidates data from diverse sources into a single, streamlined location. Whether your data originates from advertising platforms like Facebook Ads and Google Ads, social media channels, CRM systems, or web analytics tools, Funnel.io simplifies the entire process. It pulls all this disparate data into a centralized, user-friendly dashboard, making it perfect for marketing teams, agencies, and e-commerce businesses seeking to automate their reporting and eliminate tedious manual data integration. One of Funnel.io's most compelling features is its extensive network of data connectors. With integrations to over 500 platforms, including major advertising networks such as Facebook Ads, Google Ads, LinkedIn, and many more, you can seamlessly import your marketing data without the cumbersome task of manually downloading reports from each individual platform. Furthermore, the data is refreshed in real time, ensuring your reports are always current and accurate. Funnel.io also shines in its data transformation capabilities. The platform allows you to effortlessly clean, filter, and categorize your data before it's sent to your preferred reporting tools, such as Google Data Studio, Excel, or even your own data warehouse. This level of flexibility guarantees you're working with precise and relevant data tailored to your specific reporting requirements. For businesses reliant on detailed reporting, Funnel.io's automated report generation is a true game changer. Schedule reports for daily, weekly, or monthly delivery, eliminating the need for manual updates. This feature is particularly beneficial for agencies managing multiple client accounts or businesses running numerous marketing campaigns concurrently. The platform's customizable dashboards are another significant advantage. Visualize your data in a way that best suits your business objectives, whether you're tracking ROI, CPC, or overall marketing performance. Funnel.io empowers you to create dashboards specifically tailored to your key performance indicators, KPIs. So, who benefits most from Funnel.io? It's ideally suited for businesses and agencies grappling with large volumes of marketing data. If you find yourself spending countless hours manually collecting and organizing data from various sources, Funnel.io can significantly reduce your workload and improve the accuracy of your reports. It's also a valuable asset for marketers striving to create more insightful, data-driven campaigns. Regarding pricing, Funnel.io offers customized plans based on your specific requirements, making it scalable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. While it might be considered a premium option for smaller businesses, the automation and time-saving benefits can easily justify the investment for companies heavily reliant on data analysis. In conclusion, Funnel.io is a powerful and comprehensive tool for any business seeking to streamline its data reporting processes. With its vast array of integrations, automated reporting features, and customizable dashboards, Funnel.io empowers you to make more informed, data-driven decisions while freeing up valuable time and resources.